Hello again. I just received some comments and feedback from the users saying that most of their PDF documents are scanned and they cannot extract text from the PDF documents in order to be vectorized and be searchable. So as you can see here, I have a PDF document that it is a scanned format. I cannot select any text from the document because these are just images produced by a scanner. I also have another example here, some of the documents are just TIFF or JPEG or PNG, like this architecture example here. And you cannot select text or you cannot vectorize in order to search for text inside these images. So I was asked, how can I vectorize? How can I use this information, this document into my AI vector search with the Retrieval Augmented Generation scenario? So I'm going to show you because we can use OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Document Understanding AI services in OCI, and you can transform basically scanned images into selectable text using this document understanding. There are many other features that this service is offering, but I'm going to show you in this hands-on workshop just the optical character recognition feature available in document understanding. You can then classify documents, you can extract the summary. There are many other features available in the service. You can check the documentation for more information. I'm going to upload the scanned PDF file into my on object storage, and I'm going to import it into my database to be processed because I'm using the database to process the information. I'm keeping all the data in the database, even the documents. So I'm going to import this scanned PDF into my database as a binary large object. It has about 2 megabytes, 2.5 megabytes. It's not a huge PDF. It has, this is the image. It has 12 pages. It's a technical paper. You can see here, this is the same document I have opened here in my browser. So now if I go to vectors, and if I select this scanned PDF, I cannot vectorize it because it doesn't contain any text, any available text. So I can perform optical character recognition using the OCI document understanding. I'm going to launch OCR on this document. In the meantime, this document is going to be processed. I'm going to upload also the PNG architecture I showed you, this one in my repository. Let me see if I have it here in my downloads. This one, architecture 23 AI, and upload it into my repository on object storage, and then I'm going to keep it in my database. I want to keep all the information inside the database to make sure that I comply with all the requirements for my organization. So this is an autonomous database. As it takes some time to, it is processing now the information. Let me see if I select it again. I have just one single OCPU, by the way, in this autonomous database here. It is not as fast as maybe you expect, but for training purposes, it's the perfect one. So if I go to vectors, you can see here, if I select the PNG file, I'm going to get the same button here instead of vectorize. So if I select a document which has text inside as a data, I get embed capability. I can embed it into vectors, and you already know what I can do with the vectors, how I can use AI vector search and retrieval augmented generation. But if I select an image or a PDF which doesn't have text, I'm gonna run OCR on it. And then I'm going to show you the output. So I think this is going to be faster because this is just one single page. It's just one single image of the architecture. If I go back to my docs, for the latest two documents I processed in this application, in this sample application, which can be used as a hands-on workshop to understand how these services work. You can see this is the PDF here. Let me show you a bigger. So this is the PDF, and this is the PNG architecture. So if I go to the PDF, to the metadata, you have the location in your object storage bucket where the results from document understanding AI service have been produced. You can go to your object storage and you can get the results from here, or you can use the Apex application to download these files that have been produced on object storage. And in this case, the service I'm using as an example in this application produces two outputs. The first one is the JSON document with the words and the lines in the scanned document, so you can extract text from this JSON document. And the other output is the PDF, a searchable version of the PDF, the same one, that has text, and you can, of course, upload and import and vectorize this PDF file into the application. So let me first download the JSON file. I'm going to save it in my downloads, and then I will also download the PDF file, so you can see the output. This is going to be opened automatically by my browser, I believe. You can see here, this is opened now. It has the 12 pages, and you can see even the logo of Oracle has been optical character recognized. You can see the characters in Oracle logo have been transformed into text, and you can see now I can select text from the PDF, and all the text now can be used to be vectorized and to be searchable into the application in case you have scanned PDFs like this one. This is the scanned version. You can see here, I cannot select anything, but this is the searchable version. And here I can select text, and I can include this text into my vectors. Again, if I go back to the application, go back to the docs, just to show you the architecture, the PNG image that has been also transformed by Oracle AI document understanding. So you can see here, this is a smaller one. It produced a JSON. I'm going to show you also the JSON afterwards. I'm going to download the JSON into my on my laptop and save. And also, I want to download the PDF. This is the searchable format. So even if the image was a PNG image, you can see here, the output of document understanding service is in PDF format because it's more flexible. You can share it with your colleagues and so on. So you can see here now, in that image, I can select the text and I can use this text to be vectorized and to be searchable. I want to show you the JSON output. So this is the JSON output for the PDF. Open with Firefox. I'm going to open it with Firefox because I think it's the arrangement. Well, let's see. Yeah. So the document has the metadata and pages. I'm going to open the first metadata part. Let me see if I can increase the screen, the font on the screen. It has 12 pages, and then the pages. You can see here I have from 0 to 11. These are the pages. This is the JSON output of the OCR PDF result. And for example, here on the first page, I have the words. So Oracle, this is the first word. The second word is JSON in Oracle database. performance considerations. So let me show you the first page. Oracle, JSON in Oracle database, performance considerations. So this is the each word. And then I think I also have the lines. So lines here. On the page 0, I have Oracle, the first line, second line, JSON in Oracle database, performance consideration. This is the third line in the document. Let me show you back to my, so I have Oracle, the first line, JSON in Oracle database, performance considerations. So this is the idea. You can use this JSON to extract the text and use it in your Oracle text analysis or to be vectorized, to be searchable, and so on. Let me show you also the JSON for the, it is exactly the same. In this case, it has just one single page, the architecture image that has been OCR'd. So here the image was a PNG file, and here I have internet. Let me see if I can increase the font size. So here I have internet. Let me see if so this is internet, the first word. And then I have OCI region. So the second is OCI, third is region. So if I go to the architecture, I have OCI region and Oracle services. So you can see here, I have Oracle services. This is the, let's say the next word, and so on. Or you can go to the lines. Let me see if I can find the lines. Yeah, lines, internet, OCI region, Oracle services network. So you can basically Oracle services network, and you can look at each individual line, visual, digital. Each individual line basically is it's visual builder, digital assistant, but they have been broken down into multiple lines and generative AI. And this is why in the JSON document produced by Document Understanding, they do look like individual lines. So you can import this, you can vectorize this information, and you can run a Retrieval Augmented Generation and AI vector search. Thank you very much, and continue learning, continue sharing. Thank you.